Okay, and these are also fridge magnets. Now, I wanted to show you. I don't know if I can, but this is the resin. It's from the Epoxy resin store. And it's premium quality clear epoxy resin. Super gloss clear coating and casting resin. And so far, it has been fantastic, actually. That's what I used for the two-part regular epoxy resin. Not sure where my voice is going, but now this is the part B for the two-part quick cure. The work time is 2.5 minutes, and the cure time is 10 to 15 minutes. And this one is Fabricast 50. And the only reason I'm trying this is because I couldn't get the regular Alumilite in that size. They were sold out. So these are from another set, and this one has 4, I believe. Actually has 4 molds. These two, I love this one right here. This Cheshire Cat one. So cute. Now, this one is resin that I put 1 drop of the blue Nick Pro, and it's the blue one. And this one also has the different colored eyes. And on these little Cheshire Cats, I actually UV resined the teeth after they cured, just to give them a little bit of difference. So this one is the blue glitter, and this time it's a mixture of 2 blue glitters, a chunkier and a regular cut glitter. That's what I'm going to call it. When it's not too fine and not too chunky. So this one is the turquoise. I love these eyes. So pretty. Once again, this one is the turquoise, and also has the chunky and the regular glitter, and the UV resin teeth. You just love that. Now, in order to set the magnets, excuse me, the only way to do that without disturbing the magnetic surface that I found was to super glue them down. Any other type of glue, a Lyn's tacky glue, anything like that, in order to get them to stick enough, you've got to actually embed them in the glue, and then that interferes with how well they stick. So I may go back and UV resin around them, just a thin top coat, but they stick really nice. Alright, and then the last of these is the purple one. Once again, really pretty eyes. And once again, with the 2 different types of glitter, although the regular glitter on this one actually has a two-tone, whatever you want to call it, a color changing. It changes from blue to green, purple to green. So you'll get a green flash every now and Alright. And then these two. These, actually, when I bought the set, all you could see was the molds. They didn't have a casting for you to look at, so you really didn't have any idea what they would turn out looking like. So, this actually turned out better than I expected. This one has a yellow-green. Green around the outside and then yellow. You can hardly see the green around the outside. And then paint pens for the gold. And once again, I UV resined the little stone on its forehead and the very tip of its nose, just to get it to stand out a little bit. Same thing on this one. And on this one, you can really tell the chunkier glitter has a gold color change, and then the regular glitter has a green reflection. It's really interesting the way this one color flashes. And then those bluest blue eyes. Sorry, I didn't say this one. I almost put too much of the regular glitter and not enough of the chunky, but it's still really pretty. Actually, one of the things that's harder to find is a chunky green glitter. A green that's not like a mermaid green. I mean, seriously, to hand, I can't even put my hand on a green glitter. Closest thing, this mermaid color glitter. Isn't that strange? A whole bag of shamrock glitter. That won't help anything. But anyway, so that's why this one has more of the regular glitter. But anyway, all of them have the black background, which does show through the ears. This one you can't tell as much, but it does.